Hey guys, Gene here with FireSprint.com, and I want to show you how to use our free QR code generating tool. So all you really need is an account with FireSprint.com, which those are totally free for resellers. And then you're going to want to go to resources and then to distributor tools. And then we can scroll down to the QR code generator. You can check out these other tools that we have here, but this is the one we're going to talk about today. And we get here to the free QR code generator. So the cool thing about this, obviously it's free, totally free for you to use, but there's no tracking codes or link codes in there. So sometimes when you get a free QR code generator, they track what you're sending or what you're scanning, what your customers are scanning. There's none of that with this. This is just all built into the raw code. And then you can also build all kinds of codes too. So I would say a URL is probably the most common. So, Jane's promo chickens. It's a new idea that I have to put sweatshirts on chickens. So Jane's awesome promo chickens.com. And I want to generate that QR code. And it's going to tell me enter a valid URL. So this might be something that you run into. So all it's asking for there is like that https://www. And that makes it a valid URL. So just don't forget about that first part there if you're trying to set this up. And then submit. And there is that QR code available for me to download and use as I see fit. If I don't like it anymore or don't need an old one, we can delete this, clear them out. I can make as many as I need. You can make as many as you need and use them in all of your print materials on your website. Wherever you feel like you need a QR code, you're welcome to use these here. And there's no need to use them on things that FireSprint.com prints, that we print. You can use them if you print it yourself or even send it to another trade printer. It doesn't bother us at all. Go here to FireSprint.com and utilize this free QR code generator. Just another one of the tools that we provide our resellers to help you sell more and be more successful. Thanks for watching.
We're FireSprint.com. If you'd like to work with us, check us out at FireSprint.com. We're a trade printer. This means we work with other printers, ad agencies. Basically, to buy from us, you must resell the product. And so we love our network. We have a nationwide network of resellers. If you'd like to join our nationwide network of resellers, please check us out at FireSprint.com.